Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to update your Instagram app to the latest version. Keeping your app updated gives you new features, better performance, and improved security. We will walk you through each step to make sure your Instagram is up to date. On your mobile phone, go to your app dashboard and open the Play Store. Go ahead and tap on the Play Store to open it. Once you're inside the Play Store, tap on your profile icon in the upper right corner. Then, tap on Manage Apps and Device. You will be taken to a new page. From here, tap on Manage. Now, scroll down until you find Instagram. Once you spot it, tap on it. You will be taken to the Instagram page. If your app is already up to date, you will see Open. If an update is available, it will show Update. In that case, tap Update and wait for the installation to finish. Once the button changes to Open, your Instagram has been successfully updated. Your Instagram app is now running the latest version. Enjoy all the new features, smoother performance, and a better experience overall.